comparison questions about the data that we see. First, let's review the graph and see what information it's providing. We see that the title is Favorite Fruits in 3rd grade. The scale is counting by twos. And the number of students will be represented by a number. We also see that the 3 options that students were given were grapes, apples, and oranges. The first question asks, how many fewer students voted for grapes than apples? This is a how many fewer problem, which means I am going to have to do subtraction to find the answer. I'm comparing grapes and apples. When we compare numbers, we use subtraction. So let me open a text box and show you what equation would be necessary here. First, we need to see which one had the bigger number, grapes or apples. I see that apples was greater, so apples will go first in my equation. 14 minus grapes is what's going to give me my final answer. 14 minus 8 is 6. So 6 fewer students voted for grapes than apples. Okay, now let's come on down to the next problem. How many more students voted for oranges than grapes? Again, how many more problems require us to do subtraction and compare the numbers? So I need to find which 2 numbers are necessary. It says oranges and grapes. I look and see that oranges had the greater number of votes, 12 minus grapes, which had 8. The equation is 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 equals 4. So 4 more students. And last but not least, let me come down to how many more students voted for apples than oranges. Again, I'm comparing apples and oranges, so I need to subtract oranges from apples. Last text box here. Apples had 14 minus oranges, which had 12. 14 minus 12 equals 2 more students. All I have to do to solve how many more and how many fewer equations is use subtraction.